Kongoza. Mayone.
Siyabonga Honorable Chair, greetings Minister and all other officials, inclusive you Chair. Kwami kutaba kutse. Kwekuqala nje Honorable Minister, Lohola Correctional Services. I'm from the forces myself. I'm a police officer by profession. I know how things work. Inzaba yema promotions, Honorable Minister, correctional stela yendege. Kukabi lo sekwenda ukuthi side so phese side chains just because nine executive and baniki ukuthi ba promote. Letindo letina design wa minister, that design for a purpose. Kufanele superintendent, aphathe assistant, kwehla until the last junior one. So if tawphela 5 years ninga promote, why are you doing that? Honorable Minister, why are you doing that? Wena umfana wale correctional, unangele correctional, I promote phela kutokhona kusebenzela pe correctional. The officers are demotivated. We are actor office but akaluholeli just because ema promotion is good. Kuze ke lo kuhambisa olumsebenzi wase correctional akube kahle nje kuyaphathwa kunetigawo subbed kanjalo national general kanjalo kanje kuyalandzelana letinto. Manje yena sekunemgamo lomutse seyini lokho ke manje 5 years no promotions angifuni kufika ku recruitment ngoba mhlambe ndawucabanga ngitifunela mina ngifunela they are overstretched. Angikwathi lo ukuthi one officer he should take care of how many offenders. And inyalo ke sebaphumile nalokusebenta lapha as lama programs abo seka intensified even lonke siyawathwana kuma royal duties. Nabalena kusala bani le nababe bangi10 nga 2022 but umsebenzi so wanzile so bangi10 nga 20 not even 10 because babili bafile. Minister, please do something. Akupronyotho lapha correctional. Nifuna kuzekushothi netsa kupronyotho aniboni ngani because always you are there. You are always praying there. Uyababo abantwana labo chaplain nje kufanele ngabe ba ranked labo chaplain laba kuserviceako now ufikele kufanele ngabe ba ranked but abasiko ranked.